Welcome to ultimate source for authentic and up-to-date automotive information. Step into the golden era of automotive history and become part of a community that cherishes the true icons of the road. The 1932 Ford Model A, a legend that laid the foundation for hot rodding culture, remains one of the most celebrated classics of all time. Crafted with timeless design, superior engineering, and a spirit of innovation, this masterpiece continues to captivate collectors and enthusiasts worldwide. Introduced as the successor to the original Model A, the 1932 Ford was revolutionary, marking the beginning of an era where performance and style merged like never before. While the earlier Model A had already gained massive popularity, Ford pushed the boundaries with the introduction of the 1932 model, which was the first mass-produced car to feature a flathead V8 engine. This powertrain, producing an impressive 65 horsepower at the time, transformed the driving experience and set new standards for performance and affordability. The lightweight construction combined with a sturdy chassis made it a dream for customization, giving birth to the hot rod culture that still thrives today. Visually, the 1932 Ford Model A was a masterpiece of design. Its bold front grille, elegantly curved fenders, and beautifully crafted body lines exuded sophistication while retaining the rugged, utilitarian appeal that made it a favorite among early car enthusiasts. The distinctive split windshield, large round headlights, and classic running boards completed the iconic look, ensuring its place in automotive history as one of the most recognizable designs ever created. Inside, the cabin was simple yet functional, featuring a well-arranged dashboard, a large steering wheel, and an uncluttered layout that reflected the minimalistic approach of the era. The seats, though basic compared to modern standards, provided ample comfort for long drives. Whether restored to its original glory or modified with modern upgrades, the Model A's charm remains undeniable. Today, the value of these classics has skyrocketed, with pristine, factory-original models commanding prices upwards of $40,000. While heavily customized hot rods can exceed six figures, the 1932 Ford continues to be a cornerstone in the world of classic car collecting. Sought after for its historical significance, timeless design, and endless customization potential, it's a legend that refuses to fade, a car that shaped automotive history. This is the 1932 Ford Model A. Whether you're a lifelong enthusiast or just beginning your journey into the world of classic cars, this icon deserves to be celebrated. Join us as we uncover its rich history, timeless appeal, and the passion that keeps it alive. Be part of our community and let's explore the legacy together.